In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, a new video with Mr. Ahmed Ramadan, and we have started the project reading for beginner level. Today is the second story named Bubbles. So the title here is Bubbles, and let's get started. Number one, Terry is a doll. Twit is a doll. Hello, I am Twit. Hello, I am Terry. Look, Terry, a ball. Look, Twit, a fish, it's in the water. Here it is, here it is. Be careful, Terry. Oh, help. Hello, I am Bubbles. I'm a fish. Come and play with me. Here is a ball, here is a ball. Catch, Twit. It's a bubble. It's a bubble. Here, Terry. Catch. Goodbye, Terry and Twit. Goodbye, Bubbles. I think the story has ended and we have learned some new expressions like hello, I am, or hello, my names, to introduce ourselves to others. And the expression goodbye, when we see someone off, we are going to leave. Here means here you go, here you go. Okay, so we have learned some, and the characters also, we have two dolls, Terry and Twit, and one fish called Bubbles. Okay, let's get into some exercises about the story. Exercise A, we need to put the words into the sentences. Verb is, this is a verb from verb to be, is. We will learn in a little bit about it in the next exercise. Don't forget, we have here two verb, and the same word, no problem, it will goes with the blanks, so we need to put them into the blanks. Is, doll, fish, water, and is again. What about number one? Do you know or do you remember Terry is a doll or a fish? Of course, Terry is a doll. Terry is a doll. You can read along with me in this exercise. Number two, Twit. Here is the subject. Here is the name of the subject, the character Twit, and we need a verb. We need is. Twit is a doll. Okay. What about number three? The fish is in, yes, the water. The fish is in the water. And number four, here is the ball. Here is a ball. The last one, Bubbles is a fish. Bubbles is a fish. This exercise is good for choosing or giving the words in real context or meaningful context, to use the words we have learned like fish, doll, water, and ball. Let's move to another exercise with grammar. How can we use am and how can we use is? These two verbs comes from one verb. Actually, it's one verb to be. Okay, the word am or the verb am only goes with I can say I am. But is, it can take he, so I can say he is. I can say he am. No, I can say he is. Maybe it's a name of a boy, Tom. Tom is. Ali is. It could be the pronoun she is. So the word she or the pronoun she goes with is. You can say she am, she is. Okay. The girl, it could be one girl, Heba is, Alia is, Samira is, mother is. And the pronoun it also goes with. So it is. It could be non-human, like a dog is, a cat, and some expressions. Some expression like here is, or there is. Okay, these singular subjects could take the verb is, surely take the verb is. So we have two verbs here, am and is. It's actually one verb, verb to be. And the example in number 1, I takes am or is. He answered, I am, yes. Number 2, it, yes, it is. It is in the water. Could you help me with number 3, please? Here, yes, this expression goes with is. Here is a ball. Number 4, I goes with, correct, am. I am a fish. I am a fish. Number 5, it. It is a doll. Good job, everyone. The last one, could you help me? I am, yes, I am Bubbles. So this exercise is wonderful for the beginners to use am correctly and is correctly. The last exercise to put the words in the correct order. Okay, how can we remember the rule? Remember first, the first thing to remember is the subject, who. Who did that? Who did the action? Who? The subject could be a noun like twit, Terry, fish, ball, no problem. And then you can also use pronouns. You can use he, she. So the subject may be a noun or a pronoun. What some expressions we can make it or use it before instead of the subject, like here is or there is. Okay, this could be the subject. So we took the first thing to remember, who, the subject. Then what comes after the subject? The verb. What happened? Okay, the subject did what, or do what, or does what. So the second thing is a verb. So we have subject and verb. Remember this, subject and verb. Again, subject and verb. Okay, let's take number 2 for example. We have the subject is it's a name, to wit, yes, and then the verb is. So we have the subject and verb. To wit is a doll. Don't forget the full stop, because this is very important. Start your sentence with capital letter and end it with full stop. End it with full stop. The next one, number 3, we have noun or pronoun. Yes, correct. We have pronoun it. That will be the subject, then the verb. It is. Yes, it is a fish. And again, the full stop. Number 4, could you help me, please? Could you give me a hand, please? Yes. Some expressions like here is, a ball. Here is a ball. Here is a ball. The last one, I'm sure you can do it yourself. Let's start with the pronoun I, then the verb am, I am, and finish the sentence, I am a fish. I hope you have learned some new words, some new expressions like goodbye, my name is, I am, and how can we use, or what pronouns or what subject take is, what subject take am, and we have arranged some words to make meaningful sentences. Wish to meet you again, inshallah, in the next video. You can write in the comments, do you like it or not? And have a nice day. Goodbye.